Yeah. Hello, Tito Owen. Thank you sa patamsak. Hello, and flower. Ba't may echo? Ba't nag-echo? Okay na. Harang tamsak dan anak. Ay, thank you so much. Thank you po. Asan si cute baby? Ito, Tito Wawan, kalong ko siya kasi nagdedede pa. Hindi pwedeng pakita ha, pastilan. Hello, Data Patata. Kalong ko pa siya. Ate, oh. Hindi yun. Hindi ko mailawas na.
What the?
Ilos mo muna.
What?
Nakamute. You okay?
Yeah.
Ganda ni Ate Hos. Ay, maniniwala ako dyan. Kaliligo ko lang. Fresh ako ngayon. Tamsak Manay. Manay, thank you so much sa patamsak Manay. Biji lang at nasa work pa. Sige Manay. Ingat. Ingat Manay sa work. Ay, cute na nung.
I got no makeup.
Ganda ni Ate Hos. Sakto lang. Ano ka ba? Happy to close the door. Happy to close the door, Lalab. Thank you.
I don't know where you that now.
Okay.
And I think the net also and see here.
Okay.
I don't know where you that. Then I check it's in the office.
Okay. Tamsak dan Sisi, thank you so much, Sis Beth. Shout out Raisa from Tito Wawen. Harang. Oh, wow.
Hiya.
What are you doing?
I don't know. I catch a watermelon.
And it's okay.
Mama, look,
Beth
my hair
Beltran Yahoo
messy.
from the
You
Voyagers
see my
family.
hair messy?
Yeah.
Mama, look at my hair.
Okay.
I'm yeah. Spajo. I say spajo. I say spajo.
Okay.
Spajo.
Yahoo Thai from the from Beth Beltran. Lalab you move there your leg. Talo ka na naman sa pustahan. Bakit anong pustahan? Yung pustahan yun, patamsak sa premiere ko mga anak. Maraming salamat. Ayan, pinin ko yung premiere ni Tatay. Guys, patamsak ako sa premiere ni Tatay. Thank you so much. Nasa harang pa. Okay. Oy, Felix. Comerbro. Scobia Vlogs here. Says hello. Thank you. Ang aking katimwakwak. Prince Toys. Ayan. Si Kuya Tams. Thank you so much, Kuya. Hello, sis Sandy Papa. Account ng anak ko gamit ko. Okay, sis. Thank you so much. Tito Wawen. Hi, cute girl. Sino ako yan, Kuya? Thank you so much. Kuya, sakto lang. Ako ba? Hey, don't play, Lalab. You see this one? This one is Papa.
Mama, look. Look at the color here.
Yeah, I know. Hoy, Beth Beltran. Ay, Sandy Papa, thank you, sis. ang usapan, pagkatapos ng LS mo, hindi yung ipi-play after ng LS mo, kaya panalo ako. Ano yun? Hindi ko mag-gets. Ano yung postahan nyo? Hi, Harang, thank you. Thank you sa paharang. The Voyagers family. Si Sally, thank you. Busy ka ata, sis. Ayan. Sana all fresh. Bagong ligo lang ako. Pag bagong ligo lang ako, tsaka lang ako fresh. Pag hindi ako naligo, para akong ano. Saan ko ba? Ayan. Ayan, binaba ko yung link. Kung sino gusto umakyat, pwede. Welcome. Guys, may mga free. Patabsak ako sa premiere ni Tatay. Thank you. Dan Harang, thank you so much. Ano, Data Patata. Hi, baby cute. Ako ba yun? Ano, Ends lover. Thank you. Sakto lang. My God. Huwag niyo masyadong nakakaya. Nakakaloka. Sandy Papa Yahoo from the Voyagers family. Tamsagdan sa'yo, host. Thank you so much, sis. Sana all fresh. Nasaan na ba ako? Nawawala na naman ako. Haha. Voyagers family from Beth. Tay, sabi ni Sandy Papa, patamsak mga anak, salamat. Ayan, may pinin ako sa taas. Yan yung ni Tatay, premiere ni Tatay. Tay, anong oras to premiere mo po, Tay? Anong oras to? Nagtamsak ako kanina pero nakalimutan ko. Parang nasa 7:30, no? So, parang 7:30 yun. Dan tamsak na Itay from Beth Beltran. Pa-jacket po. Kuya, okay na kuya. Thank you so much, kuya. Prince Toys. Hello, amiga. Amiga, good evening, amiga. Salamat sa pagpunta, amiga. Salamat. Yung aking mga, mga babies, sa likuran. Naharang ako harang ka pala Thank you sis sa paharang sis. Wow, nice smile, Ate Yos. Thank you so much, cute the no. Ay, careful. Say hello.
Why I put like this hand? Why I put like this one? But why is this one?
Because you're facing at the camera.
That's
Oh, you
only.
see? It's correct, right? Check that time. It's correct, right?
What is wrong?
Dan tamsak si Sis Carl, thank you so much. Kararating ko lang. San?
That
Galaan.
one's correct. Look at my
Ulan
hand.
sis
Look at my hand is messy.
Why messy? What do you mean messy? How can you close the door? Galaan. Saan ka pumunta si Carl? Ang ulan. Kahapon pa to. Ang lakas ng ulan. Hindi siya nawawala. Dan tamsak tay. Ayan. Thank you, Data Patata. Dan tamsak and harang. Thank you, Sandy Papa. Sis, thank you. Karpahaba Yahoo from the Voyagers family. Danong, Ay, what are you doing? Careful, oh. Ay, cute Danong, nangako ka sa akin. Pag ako mag-LS, pag ako mag-LS ngayon, di ba, aakit ka. Tapos sabi ko, kakanta ka, sabi mo, oo. Oh, ayan na, may binaba na ako dyan. Nasaan ka na? Hinihintay kita. Makulit yan si... makulit yan si Sniper. Oy, stop! Wait, thank you, Ends Boy. Hello po tayo, the Voyagers family from Pahabad. 7:30 p.m. Ayan. Guys, patamsak ako dito sa pinin ko sa taas. Yun yung premiere ni Tatay. Thank you so much. Sandy Papa, mga Indianong makukulit. Hey, don't play that. Don't play. Don't play this one. Don't play. You go out. Go. Don't play this one.
Oh, we cannot reach that already.
Alam mo yung yung umakyat, di ba, nung gabi? Ang kulit! Tapos sino ba yung nagtanong na yung 5'6"? Na yung sa payong, hindi ko kaagad na-gets. Sabi ko, ba't ang payong? Sabi ko, hindi ko ma-gets. Tapos na in-explain ni Data Patata, hindi ko talaga, try ko siyang pigilan yung tawa ko. Hindi ko talaga napigilan. Sobrang sakit ng ulo ko noon. Diyos ko. Parang ano kasi sobrang, ewan yung tawang-tawa ka. Tapos nagsasalita siya. Nakakahiya kasi baka sabihin nun, baka sabihin nun, nagsasalita siya, pinagtatawanan ko siya. Talagang pinigilan ko yung tawa ko talaga noon. The Voyagers family, Dan Tamsa, katikit na rin po, pasok Liko, from Prince Toys Journey. Ayan, nagbaba ng bye, si Kuya. Kuya Prince, punta ka sa LS ni tatay mamayang gabi. Ang dami ka doon makukuhang saging. Kuya, oo. Ang iba doon is mga lang. Wait lang, ang ingay ng mga Lala, you can play outside first.
I don't want.
Why?
Be quiet here.
No, because mama talking
No, no, we promise.
You promise, ha?
Yes. We promise to don't talk.
Okay. You promise, ha?
Yes.
Okay. Sana ba ako? Hello, Data Patata from Carl Pahabad. Host, pwede magbaba ng premiere. Sige, kuya, baba mo yung premiere mo, kuya. Tapos mamaya, pag may free time ka, kuya, punta ka sa yung LS ni tatay is 7 p.m. Punta ka doon dito kay The Voyagers family. Ang dami ka doon makukuhang saging. Yung iba free lang siya. Walang mga bahay, so hindi mo kailangang suklian. Noon dati ako nangingisda eh. Dami. Tapos, syempre ngayon, sobrang tagal na hindi na ako nangingisda kasi halos kadikit ko na talaga sila. Support na lang ako. Gabi-gabi ako doon. Hello, Sandy Papa from Carl Pahabad. Busy muna ako, sis. Magluto lang ako from school. Thank you, sis. Thank you. Thank you sa pag-video. Ayan, nagbaba ng, kuya, premiere mo? Dan Tamsak, The Voyagers family from Ends Lover. Carl Pahabad, hello. Hello din from Sandy Papa. Ayan. Guys, patamsak din ako dito kay Kuya, Premier. Thank you. Uy, Manay! Manay, thank you so much sa patamsak, Manay. Uy, Ends Lover, ba't ka tumatawa? Di ba nangako ka sa akin? Gusto mong basahin ko yung Di wag na. Pero nangako ka sa akin. Backstage po. Backstage. Walang backstage dito. Manay, ba't walang harang? Meron. Meron, Manay. Pero, naglilinis yung asawa ko. Maingay, nagbo-vacuum siya. Prince Toys Journey, Dan Dikit at Tamsa. Ayan. Opo, host. Prince Toys Journey, punta ka sa LS ko mamaya. 7 p.m. Pinas time. Bigyan ka madaming saging na libre. Kunti lang ang susuklian mo. Kuya. Kunti lang yung may bahay talaga doon. Karamihan na doon, supporters lang. I told you quiet, right? You promised to me. Sige, The Voyagers family. Meron harang. Merong harang. Siguro, minsan ganun din ako. Minsan pag halimbawa, pinipress ko yung pag pinpress ko siya, hindi ko siya sinerch. Minsan walang harang. Kaya minsan muna ako. Aalis muna ako. Tapos maya-maya babalik ako. Pagbalik ko meron na. Labas nga ako, balik ako ulit. Baka may harang na. Thank you. Hindi, okay lang sis. Huwag ka nang lumabas. Okay lang yan. Hello sis Gina Italia. Thank you sa pagpunta. Uy, sis Liz. Thank you. Nasa harang pa pala. Gina Italia vlog, anak, from tatay. Shout out sa lahat. Ayan. Hello, Tay. Hello. Hello, sis.
Super easy grip. Super easy grip.
Ah, why lalab?
Oh, if you broke it, I will make
Ayan. Bababa ko yung yung hagdan. Baka kasi nang gustong umakyat, pwede. Welcome, host. Thank you. Ayan. Patamsak sa premiere ko, guys. Balikan ko kayo. Ayan. Nagbaba ng premiere si Kuya. Guys, parang pwede natin tamsakan.
super easy grip.
Wait, check ko to kung yung isa ko. Kung nakatamsak na.
Super easy camouflage. Just go. Not leader.
Ayan.
Super camouflage.
3 more hours. So, ano ngayon? 5, 6, 7, 8. 8:30 yung mo, Kuya? Prince Toys? Yung premiere mo? 8:30 ba? Ayan. Ah, 9 p.m. 9 p.m. Hello, Ma'am Gina from Liz Dicaco. Hey, I told you, quiet ah.
I'm doing the plan.
Ha? Dito kayo pahiling? Dito kayo pahiling.
Ice Mystery Mountain, remember? Oh, wow.
Ayan, patamsak sa premiere ko, guys. Balikan ko kayo, sabi ni Kuya Prince Toys Journey.
Also, have
Ikaw, umabot ka na ng 400. Nasa 400 ka na rin, Kuya.
No, that's what I wanted. Super.
Ayaw talaga Manay. Mamaya ulit try ko. Salamat, Manay. Okay lang, Manay. Thank you so much. May baby singing. Happy to close the door, Lala. Don't tap. 9 p.m. Akyat ako tayo. Sige na, akyat ka na sa garabang. Ay, ayun.
Hello, mega love shout out.
Hello. Thank you.
Hey, Ate Horse.
Hello, kids. Ba't di ka magpakita?
Kanina pa ako sa backstage, eh.
Tulog ka nga.
Oo, nako sa list, eh.
Si Ba?
Ate Horse.
Tay, thank you, Tay. Thank you so much. Ha? Ano na? Ready ka na?
Saan ako ready?
Ako ba yun?
Saan ako ready?
Halatang ako na naman talaga yung naiiwan dyan. Baba.
Nasaan ka? Wala kang pasok ngayon?
Ay, always eh.
Ha?
Always.
Close the door, lalabas.
Wala kaming day off.
Ha? Okay.
Wala kaming day off.
Wala kang tabi ko? Wala po.
Opo.
Bye-bye.
Walang day off.
Saan yung work mo?
Bahay lang ako.
Oh, bahay lang. Sa 10 million na dyan, patamsak ko sa premiere ko. Ayan, patamsak daw sa premiere ni Kuya Prince Toy.
Ilan bang viewers dyan?
On the airport, ate, it's very hot. Host kain muna ako, ha? Kuya, thank you. Sige, Kuya. Buti naman sa bahay lang yung yung trabaho mo.
Opo. Sa bahay lang.
Kung na kailangang magbiyahe, lumabas.
Tambay lang sa bahay.
Buti naman. God bless. Buti naman, umakyat ka.
Bakit
Kala ko
ako
hindi ka
mahirap yan eh.
akyat. Ba yan? May ang voice pero lalaki ang name at profile.
Mahagdan kasi umakyat.
Lalaki to tayo, lalaki. Pusong lalaki. Ano, ito yung baby namin. Baby namin to. Love namin to, Tay.
Baby.
Si Ens Boy Danong.
Sana all.
Yan yung tatay namin sa The Voyagers family. Lalaki niya lower than the voice. Your voice. Can you lower than the voice, Lalan? Thank you so much. Okay? Mama talking, ha? Okay.
This one is only making louder.
No, I said quiet. Okay? Be quiet. Or, wait lang nga. So, sorry Wait. Chutomate.
Wait.
Hello? Nakamute din si si Danong. Nakalimutan ko i-share sa Wait lang. I-share nga ako. Share ko sa
Mama say not yet.
Close.
Not yet. Okay. I bring your face mask. Hey, that's mine. Your face mask is that? Mine. It's at the room. Hey, I saw a light. Where? Hi. There. You see that? Piggy. The man of the moon. Boy.
Agoy, yung aking mga anak. Pasensya na guys. At yung ang kukulit ng aking mga kids. Manay, thank you sa pabidyo, Manay. Manay, gusto mo umakyat? Chikahan tayo, Manay, chikahan.
Ate, here lang. Magkape muna.
Mamahaw mo na, Manay. Sige, Manay, mamahaw ka muna, Manay.
Kape muna tayo, Ate Horse.
Ang lamig. Hindi ba maulan din sa inyo?
Cool.
Maulan
Hindi
na. Malapit.
Ang ulan maulan dito eh. Nung ano pa? Nung start nung ano ba to? Nung bagong taon. Hindi na siya nag-stop.
Ganon, lagi na lang maulan dyan.
Oo, maulan hanggang ano. Siguro isang araw lang nag-stop siya tapos ano na naman, ulan na naman. Kaya malamig yung panahon. Yung anak ko, yung pangatlo ko, sinisipon yung tubo.
We are playing the new game.
Do you hear me?
Anong oras dyan, Ate?
Same time lang sa inyo. Sa
Ay,
Pinas.
gano'n. Same
Nasa
time lang
Pinas ka?
pala.
Nasa Pinas ka,
Oo,
di ba?
sa Pinas. Oo.
Same time lang tayo. Ano, 5:48.
Ah. Talaga naman.
Same time lang.
Ow!
Ilang minutes yung pang-premiere mo dong?
Alin, sa Timakwak? Ano lang yun, te? 3 minutes.
3 minutes?
Opo.
Okay na yun. Pandagdag ng ano yun, views yun. Pag maraming nanonood, mas malaki ang
Oo.
bigay. No? Pero
Opo.
pag nag-upload ka, tapos pa isa-isa yung nanonood ko, konti.
Kunti
Konti yung
lang.
ano. Oo. Ayan na naman yung pinagtawanan nung ano. My God. Hello, that's yours. Hello, Safety Talk. Safety Talk. How are you and babies? We're okay. We're fine. Thank you. How about you? Just you guys.
Can you help me to kill Lisa?
Halo kayo. Halo kayo asawa ko. Nakakita ng ano ba yun? Ano ba yun? Yung lizard. Takot siya. Tapos sabi niya, patayin ko daw.
Gecko
Sabi niya,
already.
hulihin ko daw, tapos patayin ko.
You find Gecko already.
Which one? Lizard?
Lizard means Gecko.
Is it?
Yeah.
Save the talk. Hello. I send on screenshot. Please check. What's that?
I got soap. Oh, that's a tree. Yeah. It's the white color of the tree. Look at the white
Hold on, I have to open this one first.
Wait, I'm gonna go.
Pinatay niya, kaloka.
I'm gonna go pee.
You go. Oh my God. Ayan ako. Oo nga, ayan na siya. Uy, dato patatanda ka pa rin pala. Thank you. Biglang niyang inoff yung ano. Kaloka to. Tapos ako sa premiere kasi, sige sis, pakibaba. Ayan na, Hos, ayan na. Gawin mo na ako, ate Hos. Sige, sige. Wait let me check. Safety talk. Ay, wow! Ay,
You already find Gecko, right, Mama? I never see it. Where
oh, dear. Very nice. Safety talk. You're almost there.
Mama is almost there, the burger.
That's so nice.
Where's our net?
So happy for you.
Yes. It's here. Is it the right color?
Yeah, it's okay. Ayan na. Thank you. You're welcome, Safety Talk. Thank you also for being very supportive.
Our net.
Just yours. Done sa premiere mo. Pasok po from Prince Toys Journey. Sambay muna ako, Manay, ha? Sige, Manay, thank you so much. Shout out, sis. Sis, thank you.
I like Mr. Meow.
Sis Hopi, thank you so much.
Where's our net?
Prepare video for your, okay. Okay.
They are eating the things. I'll eat Coco Crunch. I don't want to eat Coco Crunch. I want to eat bread. Mama, I'll eat Coco Crunch.
Papa, preparing food.
But I eat very fast one. I want bread. Can I have bread on it?
Okay, just bread. Okay.
I told you. Bread.
Drop link. I will join you. Ayan na naman, Diyos ko, Lord. Nasaan ka na, ano? Ensboy Danong. Paharang tamsak. Thank you so much, Ensboy. Ensboy Danong. Kausapin mo tong ano, yung kaibigan ko. Ayan. Patamsak po sa premiere ko. Ayan, patamsak daw guys sa premiere ni Prince Toys. You are very lucky. You have all time chow always of that birds. Ano daw? Safety Talk already dropped the link. the stairs.
That's fine. He can boy. TV is with the pet. It's with all the people with TV. It's in the animal.
Huh?
Where's Ken?
Kape muna ako, te. Uy, tulungan mo akong kausapin to. Pag ito umakyat, tulungan mo akong kausapin to. Ha?
Ken boy.
Yeah, four birds. Yeah. Yes. Yes.
See there, I saw that. There.
Oy, be careful there, huh?
Yeah.
Where's the aircon? The remote. Natapatatanak. Hello.
Let's go and find leader.
Namtamsak Prince Toys journey from Ends Boy Ninja. Patamsak din ako dito sa sa nakapin sa taas kay The Voyagers family.
Hi. Diego. Lucifer. Scary. Here.
Salamat po Ends Boy Ninja. Kumusta yung mo kuya, yung WH mo kuya, Prince Toys? Madalas ka rin kuya, mag-LS.
Mega love shout out. Prince Toy Journey.
Ayan na. Ayan na si,
Wow, the people.
na ba ito? Ayan.
Oh.
Maliit. Maliit pa, hoy.
I told you quiet, right? Mama's
Maliit pa.
Hello, Safety Talk, welcome.
Hello, how are you? What's going on?
Hello.
Welcome, Safety Talk.
Thanks.
Welcome
Yeah,
here.
thank you. Yes, can you hear me properly?
Yes, I can hear you. How?
Yeah, because yes, I'm using Wi-Fi now. That is why it's very
Ay.
nice. Yes, and I'm really thankful for your support from you. What you did, that's really thankful for that one. And I just, my days are very busy these days because election is going on, and I'm the photographer here. So much order are coming. I was missing you. I was waiting for your live stream. Anybody Danglog. What is your name? Anybody
Ends boy.
Ends Boy.
Ends boy Damang.
Danong. Ends Boy,
Danong.
Danong.
Damo.
Damong. Ends boy Damong.
Danong.
I will show you how I support others. You will be surprised. Just a moment.
Okay.
Patay tayo dyan. English.
Can you see this one?
Yes, okay.
I will show you one by one.
Wow, that's a lot.
Listen. That is not lot. I will show you the reality. You will be shocked.
One by one.
Just a moment, okay?
Okay,
This is Microsoft Edge, one browser. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 people. Okay. 5 people. Yeah, 5 people from one browser. After that one, I will minimize this one, and it is playing with ads. If they are monetized, it is playing with ads.
Okay.
Okay, that is minimized. After that one, there is another browser, Firefox.
The little one.
Open. Here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here is 5 people playing on. 5 and 5, 10. After that one, third browser is Opera Mini.
Nani sa kanya?
5 people are there, and here is a third also. That is also playing. I didn't check it from long time. That's why it's need some time to open. It will be
It
open.
will make your connection slow.
No, not at all. Because I'm using another thing.
Oh, so it's
Yeah,
okay.
that,
Your connection's still okay.
yeah. Today my connection is okay, very okay. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 15 people. Okay, after that one, this is not for all. After here, you are playing
Oh, thank you.
from another ID. 1, 2, 3, 4,
Oh
20,
my God.
total 19. Okay. After that one, look here.
Oh, that's a lot.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 plus 19.
Is it okay? Is that
It
okay?
is it is total 29 people.
Yeah, that's a lot. My God.
If I decide, yeah, if I want to make someone monetize in 1 month, I can do that one.
Wait, safety talk. Dato
Yeah,
Patata said, safety talk. You look like Denzel Washington.
I don't know who is Dancer Washington.
Denzel Washington is Hollywood star.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's a Hollywood star. Safety
Oh
talk.
no,
How
no,
much you have?
no. I have for 8 GB RAM.
8 GB. 8 GB daw
Yeah,
si ano, Dato Patata.
8 GB RAM. My phone have 6 GB RAM.
How about your connection?
It's a 100 Mbps per second.
100 Mbps. Yung sa amin, our connection, I don't know eh. Never tried.
Unlimited. 100 Mbps
Unlimited
per second.
Ah.
Yeah, and after that one, my computer RAM is 8 GB, as well as I have a 2.5 TB hard disk.
That.
2.5 TB means 2500 GB storage.
Oh. For extra, right? Oy, Data Patata, umakyat ka na rin and ibababa ko yung ano, yung
And
hagdan.
another, this one is also there, 1 TB, 1000 GB. Extra 1000 GB is here.
Oh my God. What? I saw the one that
Can
you
you thumbs up my
sent
prayer?
me. You're almost there.
Yes,
You're almost there very
hanapin yung
fast.
prayer on you post.
You know what I am doing for me? Just I will tell you that 10 Windows is for me. I did VPN. I opened 10 VPN,
But
10 browsers.
did you buy? Did you buy the VPN?
No, that is not need to buy. Just click the right and you can. That is free. VPN is free.
Oh.
So listen. After that one, I created 10 IDs. That is, I didn't sign in. 10 browsers, 10 Chrome I have. And I open YouTube channel there and I just said safety talk or whatever I want to play. And I open one video and I did it loop. Every time it's one video is going and going. Always. At
It's very
least
good that you
10
know all
hours.
this, huh?
No, at least 10 hour one video. So that video is giving me 10 hours per day. And I am doing it for 10 windows. That means totally 100 hours per day. Are you listening what I said?
Yes, I hear you.
Yeah, so I got yesterday 190 90 WH because of that one.
See you? Lalab, you. Wow, I don't know that. I didn't know. I don't know how to use it.
I will tell you.
Oh,
I
right
will
now.
send you the video and I will discuss with you because it's not okay
Yeah,
to discuss
share
here.
your
Yeah,
share
because
your
it's not
knowledge.
discussed. Yeah, we can't discuss that one in live stream. That is not good. What about you, Danglong? Danglong. What is name?
It's the nong. It's the nong sim.
Danong.
Yes, the nong. How about you?
Yes.
Yeah, you can. I save the talk. You can talk to my friend. He's very. He can help you a lot. You know.
Ano daw?
Dude, can you thumbs up my premiere? Hey, Lalab, can you please quiet? Thank you.
I will do. I will do. No problem for that one.
You know thumbs up, ano? Do you know thumbs up? Do you know what is thumbs
Just
up?
yes, I know Thamsak. After that one, I know Tubig. After that one, I know Marami Marami Salamat po. Af- After that one, I know
Maraming salamat.
Oh my
looking
god!
ganda host like this one. Maganda po.
Maganda.
Yes.
Magandang host.
Yeah, magandang. Marami salamat po. Thumbs up done because I can't comment there because it's a child video. That is why.
Galing.
Yes, I will do another thing also. I am using computer and I will also give surprise you from another one. You can check it. You will have another more. I will give you more three watchings right now. They will come one by one, and that is very big personality. They will come here for watching you. You will be shocked when they come. One is coming. Watching ads from that one.
Oh, that's really nice, huh?
No,
Oh,
I
Prince, ano?
help.
Cute, ano?
I
Magkaturo ka na.
support. I support lot. I don't think how much I giving to other. I just I am doing my job. What can I do that I am doing?
You
I
can
don't
also
think.
use can also do the same in a laptop.
Yes, you can do in laptop also.
Oh.
And Yuri, who I am playing, everyone have India in their community, in their YT. Hello, Jajos. Hello, Kamla Harris. How are you? Congratulations for you are the Vice President of America now.
No.
Prince, thanks from Just Yours.
Yeah,
Tell him
Kamla
to like
Harris.
my premiere. Tell him,
Kamla.
to like my premiere from Prince Toy's Journey.
Yes, I like your premiere, but I can't comment there because there is a child channel. That is why.
Just Yours, Dan Tamsa from Ends Boy
Yes.
Ends Boy Ninja. Hello, Ends Boy. 8 GB for 30 tabs. Wow, safety talk. I only have 4 GB RAM. I can only open 5 tabs maximum
No,
from the
not for that one. You can do it, no problem. But you must be very active in internet. That is why you can do that one.
I think it's depend on the internet
No,
also, right? The
no,
fast.
that is not important. But how you will use. And I am playing 30 tabs as well as I am doing my Photoshop in that time. At the same time, I am working other things. Hello, Donald Trump. Sorry, Donald Trump. Sorry, Donald Trump. You lose the election. Sorry for that one.
Hello, just yours from Insway Ninja. Just yours, Prince Dan. Prince Dan. Salamat po, Just Yours from Prince. Hi, Safety Talk from Just Yours. Hello, Kamala Harris. I know who is this. Sniper, is that you? Donald Trump, hello. Sniper, is that you?
Color
Isa ba
pink.
to? Kalahin niya. Hello, everyone. Thank you for coming here from Ensboy. Hey, Donald Trump, hello. Ayan, mga president, si President. Ani Lazaro, thank you, sis. Thank you sa patamsak, sis. Ma'am Ems, TV vlog host, patamsak host, thank you, sis. And nagbaba ng bahay si Prince Toys. Please,
Danglong, are you
support his house
are you
also.
married? Sorry, are you monetized?
Who?
I saw your review.
Danglong.
Danong, yes. Yes,
Yes.
he already monetized channel.
No, I said her. I said him. Said her. Are you married? I meant to say, are you monetized?
Oh my God. He's single, single. I don't know. He already have girlfriend. Right? Ano? Cute Danong?
I don't have a lot of red.
Ate,
May girlfriend ka, di ba?
No.
Tama. Pakita ka na kasi. Mas, ano, sige na, pakita ka na. Show your face, my friend. Hans Boy Danong, show your face. Donald Trump, shout out from
Welcome, Joe Biden. Oh, president is here. We have president now. New president.
president.
Yeah, President Joe Biden. Welcome and congratulations. Congratulations for your won the election.
I know. Last
But
time they
don't do
also here, right?
Yeah, but don't do anything with my friend. He is a very kind person. Donald Trump is very nice person.
Yes.
Don't hate him, please.
Donald Trump, shout out from Bata. Hello there from Japan.
Now check you are watching. How much you have watching?
No, 10 people.
Yeah, 10 people. Yeah,
Yes.
there is 4 from me.
Oh wow, thank you so much.
This type I support always.
No one is a log in. Do we have to log in account or no need?
Oi, I I am using 4 browser for 4 IDs and I don't use sign in for 10 windows.
Oh, okay.
I'm very clever about that one. Hi. Who is there? Kanipnath Ban. Who is this one? Hello, Kanipnath Ban. Welcome to the channel. Tongue Family Blogs. Can you welcome that one, Kanipnath Ban?
Kanifnat. Who is this? Kanifnat Ban. Hi. This is you safety. This is you safety talk, right?
Yes, this is my original ID, original name.
Oh. So
And
this
face,
is your real name,
yeah, real
Kanifnat.
name. Kanipnath Ban. It's my real name.
Wow, what does this mean?
Kanipnath is a god name. Ban is a
Oh.
surname, our surname. Kanipnath is a god name in our
Oh,
religion.
then why you use safety talk? If your name
Because
is
I'm talking about the safety on internet.
oh, I see. I
I'm
understand.
talking about the woman safety. I'm talking about the child safety. I'm talking about the bathroom safety. I'm talking about the road safety. Yes, we must be safe in the bathroom. When you go to the take a shower, if there is a
Then
soap
that's
or
correct.
if there is a shampoo or soap on the floor, and if you put your leg on that one, you will be sleep.
Correct. It happens sometimes,
Hello there, Donu Tata Trump parody. Who is this one? Another one is there.
This is you?
Yeah, this is also me.
Dono Tatya Trump parody.
Yeah, that is we call Donald Trump as a Tatya. Tatya means uncle.
Oh. So
In
in
India,
India, the
yeah,
word Tatya is uncle.
yeah, Tatya is uncle.
Mm.
Wow, you have lots of today. You have lots of things.
Oh. Tatya, I understand. How about auntie?
Auntie is a kaki, kaki.
Kaki?
Yes, kaki.
Kaki. So
Yes.
I'm kaki. Auntie, kaki. Kaki. Then Tatya. Okay. Uy, Enzo, dyan, nung nanahimik ka na dyan.
Yes, ate.
What is this? I forgot. How it will be happen? It will be not happen. No, I am doing something and I forgot one password of my one ID.
Then
I
you have
want to
to
log in that.
memo. Yeah, that's a lot.
Yes,
Or
that is
maybe
why I
can
forgot.
use the same password, Ken?
No, I can use, but I never use same password.
Oh, okay. Me, I used because I have like uh four for Gmail. I make it same password there because it's very difficult to memorize to remember all.
I got it. I got it.
That Tatya give us rupees. What is rupees?
Baba.
Tatya will not give you a single rupees. Tatya is a manager of Tatya is a manager of bank. That bank don't have money.
Rupees is what? Ay, yung pera nila. Is that your money?
Yeah.
Oh, Donald Trump ah. My God. From data patata. Umakyat ka na para naman mag-uusap tayo.
Firzani Walid, Walaikum Assalam.
What does that mean?
There is some account is there. Firzani Walid saying Salam Alaikum. Assalam Alaikum. I said Alaikum
For Johnny
Assalam.
Walid. For Johnny who this is your also For Johnny Walid.
This is my Islamic name.
Oh. Alaikum.
Salam alaikum. Means that is for something, I always open account like that help me for everywhere, go everywhere. If there is a means communal means there is a lots of friend from my Saudi Arabia on Pakistan. After that one
Hmm.
means my Islamic friend. If I go there, I will choose this account, Firzani Walid.
Mm. I know you have a
I
lot
have
of
total
friends,
seven
and
IDs. I have lots of friends and they are all active.
thank you,
Yeah,
Tito.
you will check when my channel got monetized. Just check my first video. You are also in that video.
Wow, thank you so much.
Yeah, just send me wishing and just tell hello. This is Tang Family Blogs from Philippines. But right now I am in Singapore and just congratulations. And you
Mm,
can say what you want after that one.
okay. Okay. Just
And
just PM me when you need it.
I will finish it within my monetization will be finished very soon. Maybe in 3 or 2 days it will be finished. I'm waiting because if I have one question. If there is a problem, if we are playing from playlist, I have 70% playlist.
Oh,
My watch time is come from 70% by playlist. If there is any problem,
sorry. How many playlists?
my my total watch time and there is a 70% watch time come from playlist.
Oh,
If there
okay.
is any problem,
No, because me, if I play your video, right? I just play the play all.
yeah, the playlist included in the play all also. That is from
Mm.
70%.
How many total of your video? How many videos you have?
Only 90.
You're slow.
No wonder sometimes if I play if I start on for example 8 a.m. right, then
Yeah.
at night it's already finished.
No, I have, I did something, I have only 35 videos.
Yeah. The rest
And
the rest are
yeah, yeah, 40,
LS,
40,
right?
yeah, and mother is LS. But I
You
don't want to do
have
LS
a
every time. I'm not,
Yeah.
but after monetize, I will do LS because some lots of people want to send me money by what? By super chat. They are telling me,
Yeah.
please do live stream. Show me your baby, cute one.
He's eating. I
Just do
think
your
maybe cannot in the live streaming. That's why I
yes,
try
yes, yes.
to hide.
Sorry for that one.
Mm.
Okay, she's like same like me. She's same like me.
We shave her hair when because
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
in the Chinese belief, right? For a baby,
Yeah.
if he or
Yes,
she
yes,
already 1 month, right? They
yes.
must shave their hair to they believe to
Maybe
become strong. The hair
Yeah,
to become
strong hair.
strong.
Yes,
Yeah.
yeah. After
Over.
when you shave all hair, that will grow fast and very nice
Mm.
hair. Nice hair.
Magluluto muna ako. Dito lang ako ate, hindi kita iiwan forever.
Very.
Thank you sis. Ayan.
Why she's on silent?
He's cooking.
Damong, please come. I will sing a
Danong.
song, Bollywood
Mm.
song.
Danong now is in Philippines. He's in Philippines.
Yeah, and who is speaking? His sister or someone else?
No, he's cooking. Right now he's cooking.
But that is not a girl. That is not a boy who is speaking with us. That is the girl.
That's a girl. But
Yeah,
the heart is a boy. His heart.
means I
That's
don't
why
understand.
he's a lesbian.
Okay, no problem.
Mm.
So what I'm going to say? Uh, you want to listen a song, Hindi song?
Yeah, you can sing a song. Can.
Yeah. So listen. I will sing for your baby.
Wow, thank
Yeah.
you. We listen.
Yes, she will listen. छोटी सी नन्ही सी प्यारी सी आई कोई परी भोली सी भाली सिंगारी सी आई कोई परी पालने में यूं ही काय म्हणतोस लाईव्ह चालू लाईव्ह झूलती रहे गाते मुस्कुराते संगीत की तरह ये तो लगे रामा के गीत की तरह रा रा रू रा 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 रू कॅमेरा आहे दिसत नाही त्यांना मग बंद होईल ते दिस मीनिंग ऑफ दिस सॉन्ग स्मॉल दिस इज द टी
Mm.
इंडियन कडक टी
The one tea with milk.
Yes, tea with milk. Cow milk.
Cow milk.
Yeah, cow and buffalo milk, not other milk. अरे काय भानगड आहे, दोघच आहेत ना आपण. अजून घ्या. So the meaning of this song is a very important for little girl. Enjoy the
The
tea.
oh, we don't give tea to the kids, you know.
Our
Only
kids, when morning is coming, our kids first ask tea. चहा द्या पहिलं, नाही का रे? Our kids are very
can drink
hmm. After my monetization video, we will do one collab video, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, because who is going to say, participate in my first video? For every week, I have one collaboration.
So you're planning first week. What collaboration you're planning to do?
Yeah, that is from one YouTuber from France, and she is doing critic. She is critiquing, and she is doing in Arabic. And she has, her video is about 100K, 300K views.
Wow,
And
that's
she
a
is
lot.
connected. Yeah, she is connected with me from February.
This last year.
अरे त्याच्याकरता मी तर रोज वगैरे लावून घेतो ना, लाईव्ह चालू असते. आता तिकडनं इन्कम चालू आहे 4-5 दिवसात माझं. वी स्पीक इन मराठी. दिस इज मराठी लँग्वेज, अवर मदर टंग.
Your dialect.
या, दिस इज अवर डायलेक्ट.
Okay. So I have to go now, guys. I already 1
Okay.
hour.
Okay,
Yeah.
thank you. Thanks for the
Thank you so
support.
much for your time.
And when you are going to shoot video for my channel, just do it in landscape, not in vertical.
Okay, I understand.
Because I am asking. अजून घे ना चहा. अरे लय येतो.
Okay, guys, thank you so much. Oy, tanong, alis na ako. Mag-off na ako.
Okay,
Mani,
thank you.
Mani
And thanks.
LJs, Manay, thank you
And
so much.
I want to say thank you for accepting my friendship.
Thank you so much also, Safety Talk for
And
being here.
lots of love for your babies.
Thank you so much. Same to your baby also.
Yeah, if you don't have any problem, you can call me at night when I am at the home. My baby will speak with your babies.
I think we cannot understand each other.
But we can't understand. But my baby is very active. She will say, wow, wow, very cute baby. I want that one.
Okay.
She likes so
Thank
much.
you so much. Thank you, Safety Talk. Thank you, Safety Talk. Bye bye. See
Thank
you
you.
again.
Bye. Thank you.
Bye everyone. Thank you for coming. Bye bye. Safety Ends Boy Danong, thank you. Data Patata, thank you. Kuya, sorry so much. Sniper, are you still there? Thank you, Sniper. Bye everyone. Bye bye.
Bye guys.
Mag-end na ako.
Bye te. Bye bye.
Bye bye. Love and